my dad's phone, Samsung S10, anytime display. I find the only time the phone does this is as if this feature's on. I'm just gonna see if I can get it off here. Just 1 sec. Alright, as you can see, it's fixed. Phone's fine. It's all good. I'm just gonna see if I can get it to do it. There you go. Turned off the device, fixed it, turned it back on. As soon as anytime display comes on, it does that. Now how do you prove that to Samsung? That there's an issue with the phone when it only does it on this feature. I'm going to continuously press the power button to get into the device and unlock it to try to reset the screen. Okay, we're back to normal. So now I'm gonna go remove anytime display. Turn it off. I'll show you what happens now. Okay. So as you see again, phone's off, power back on, no issue whatsoever. That glitch will not happen